in these codes embedded on electrical enclosures, you will see something like IP45, 65, 67, etc. What does these numbers mean? So these numbers determine how well an electrical equipment can resist dust and water. In place of dust, we can say objects and moisture content. So the word IP in full, it stands for ingress protection. So this IP has two digits. So the IP has two digits X and Y. The first digit shows the protection against dust and objects, while the other digit, the Y, the next digit that is, shows the protection against water content. So the first digit runs from 0 to 6, and the second digit runs from 0 to 8, whereby 6 and 8 is the maximum protection against objects and water respectively. So let's see how they are distributed. So 0, in the first digit X, 0 shows that the equipment is not protected against objects. The enclosure rather is not protected against objects. We have 1, which shows protection against large objects such as maybe your hand, etc. Then we have number 2. This one is fairly smaller objects, look like something like your finger. It can't enter through inside the object. Let's say number 3, we have things like smaller objects like tools, testers, screwdrivers, etc. Then number 4, it shows protection against objects in the order of wires, small needles, etc. Cannot enter the enclosure. Number 5 means that it is dust protected. That does not mean it's dust tight. It is dust protected, but with some significant pressure, dust can enter through the equipment. But number 6, which is the maximum, it shows that the equipment is dust tight. Okay, with that, let's look at the second digit, which we have called it Y. The second digit, we start with 0. It runs from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 0, it shows that it's not protected against any moisture or water contents. So number 1 shows that it's protected against dripping waters. And this one is mostly in outdoor floodlights, etc. So number 2 is protected against tilted drips. Number 3, it shows that it's protected against sprayed waters. Number 4 is protected against splash water. Number 5, protected against water jets. Where number 6 shows protection against powerful jets, like a car wash, something like that. Powerful jets. Number 7 will show if the equipment is immersed in water temporarily, it's going to be temporary immersions, is going to withstand. While number 8 shows that the equipment is waterproof. This is mainly you will see it embedded in outdoor floodlights and some of smart watches, some of outdoor switches for doorbells, etc. So example. So you see in mostly indoors equipments like fluorescent fitting, you will find embedments like 20 to show that that equipment is not protected against dust, like small equipment, and also it's not waterproof. In bathrooms, you can see something like IP44. That means small equipments cannot enter through the enclosures, and also splashing water cannot enter the enclosure of that given appliance. We also have outdoor floodlights. We'll see IP65, sometimes 67, and also 68. Those which are rated 68, it means they can sustain, they can withstand continuous immersion. So remember this. When you see these IP addresses,